Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class I discussed geometry of a complex number, argument of complex number and their properties. Today we are going to discuss square root of a complex number, cube root of unity, properties and their applications. Okay, the first square root of a complex number. The square root of a complex number means let z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number. Okay, then we find the square root of z. Okay, let square root of z means square root of x plus iy is equal to a plus ib. So this implies x plus iy is equal to a plus ib whole square, means squaring both sides. So implies x plus iy is equal to a square minus b square plus I into 2ab. Okay, so equating both sides, we get a square minus b square is equal to x, 2ab is equal to y, means real and imaginary equal कर हल. So we have a square plus b square whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. So is equal to, this is x square plus 4a square b square means 2ab whole square, that is y square. So therefore a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square root. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So 1 plus 2, so implies 2a square, 1 plus 2 means 2a square is equal to x plus root x square plus y square. Okay, x plus root x square plus y square. So this implies a square is equal to root x square plus y square plus x divided by 2. Implies a is equal to plus or minus square root of root x square plus y square plus x divided by 2. This is a. Next, equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means what? 2 minus 1. The root 2b square is equal to root x square plus y square minus x. Implies b is equal to plus or minus square root of root x square plus y square minus x divided by 2. This is b. Therefore square root of z is equal to square root of x plus iy is equal to plus or minus curly bracket root x square plus y square plus x divided by 2 plus I into here sine of imaginary part into root square root of x square plus y square minus x divided by 2. Okay, or in shortly we can write we can write square root of z is equal to plus or minus curly bracket mod z plus real z divided by 2 whole square root plus I into, this is sine, SIGN, sine of imaginary part into square root of mod z minus real z divided by 2. This is square root of z. Okay, this is square root of z, or square root of x plus iy is equal to plus or minus square root of x square plus y square root plus x divided by 2 plus I into sine of imaginary part, y the sine jaha, sine of imaginary part, I into sine of imaginary part into square root of root x square plus y square minus x divided by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी बर्तमान को बेस करिए एप्लीकेशन देख टीके एप्लीकेशन. These are the questions. Find the square root of the following complex numbers. Okay, तो question number 1 3 minus 4i, 2 16 plus 30 into square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 means I. Okay, so first answer 1 square root of, to find square root of 3 minus 4i. So let z is equal to 3 minus 4i. This is z. So mod of z, mod of 3 minus 4i is equal to square root of 3 square plus minus 4 square, that is 5. Okay, real z, rez means 3. Therefore square root of z means, what is the formula? Plus or minus curly bracket mod of z plus real z divided by 2 plus I into sine of imaginary part. Sine of imaginary part is minus, so put here minus sign. This is minus because imaginary part is minus, so put here minus sign into mod of z plus नहीं minus rez divided by 2. तो use the formula plus or minus square root of 3 minus 4i plus or minus, तो square root of what is mod z? Mod z is 5 plus real z is 3 divided by 2 minus I, because here negative is there, so minus I into square root of real z, mod z means 5, real z means 3 divided by 2. तो इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस कर्ली ब्रैकेट 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4 स्क्वायर रूट 2 माइनस I 5 minus 3 2 by 2 1, तो 1 स्क्वायर रूट 1. दिस इज द आंसर. तो देयरफॉर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 minus 4i इज इक्वल टू 2 minus I and minus 2 plus I. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 means square root of 60 plus 30 into I. Okay, so let z is equal to 16 plus 30i. So mod of z square root of 16 square plus 30 square is 256 plus 900, that is root 1156. 1156 means what? this is 34 I think. 34 into 34, 16, 1, 12, 34. So this is 34. Real z is 16. Therefore this is real z is 16. So put the formula. So square root of 16 plus 30i is equal to plus or minus curly bracket square root of mod z 34 plus real z 16 by 2. Here sign of imaginary part is plus, so put here plus sign, plus I into root 34 minus 16 by 2. Okay, so is equal to plus or minus curly bracket square root of 34 plus 16, 44, 50 by 2, 25. This is 25 plus I into square root 34 minus 16 means 18. 18 by 2 means 9. So is equal to plus or minus. This is 5 plus 3i. So is equal to 5 plus 3i or minus 5 minus 3i. Okay, this is the answer. Next, question number 4. This is the 3 is homework for you. Question number 4. Square root of minus 2i. So let z is equal to minus 2i is equal to 0 minus 2i. Okay, so mod of z 0 minus 2i ro mod is equal to square root of 0 square plus minus 2 square, that is 2. Okay, real z is equal to 0. Therefore square root of minus 2i is equal to plus or minus curly bracket mod z plus real z divided by 2 square root. This is a minus because here imaginary part is negative. So put here negative sign. So I into square root of mod z minus real z divided by 2. So is equal to plus or minus curly bracket mod z is 2 plus real z is 0 divided by 2 square root minus I into square root of mod z minus real z is 0 divided by 2. So is equal to plus or minus curly bracket, this is 1 minus I because mod z is 2. So 2 by 2 1, 2 by 2 1. So this is the answer. Okay, so answer is 1 minus I out and minus 1 plus I. Okay. Next, question number 5. Square root of a square minus 1 plus 2ai because I is equal to square root of minus 1. So let z is equal to a square minus 1 plus 2ai. So mod of z square root of a square minus 1 whole square plus 2a whole square, that is a square minus 1 whole square plus 4a square root, that is a square plus 1 whole square root, that is a square plus 1. Okay, real z is a square minus 1. Okay, next use the formula. Square root of z is equal to plus or minus curly bracket mod z plus real z divided by 2 plus sign of imaginary part is plus, so put here plus sign mod of z minus real z divided by 2. So is equal to plus or minus curly bracket square root of what is mod z? Mod z is a square plus 1, real z is a square minus 1 divided by 2 plus I into root a square plus 1 minus of a square minus 1 divided by 2. So is equal to plus or minus 1 cancel, 2a square by 2 means 2a square by 2 root plus I into a square cancel square root of 2 by 2. So is equal to plus or minus 2 cancel, ये 2 cancel, plus I. Okay, so therefore square root of a square minus 1 plus 2ai is equal to a plus I or minus a minus I. Question number 6, this is homework for you. Okay, question number 6 is homework for you. Okay, next questions, evaluate the following: 2x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 72 when x is equal to 3 minus 5i by 2. 3 minus 5i by 2. Question number 2, find the value of x4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 when x is equal to 3 plus 2i. Last one, find the value of x4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 9 when x is equal to minus 1 plus root 2i. Okay, so question number 1. So first question number 1. Question number 1, solution. Given x is equal to 3 minus 5i divided by 2. This is the x given. Okay. अच्छा, तो this implies 2x is equal to 3 minus 5i. 2x is equal to 3 minus 5i. Implies 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 5i. Is equal to minus 5i. Okay. Squaring both side. Squaring both side. Squaring both side. We get 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 5i whole square. So implies this is 4x square plus 9 minus 12x is equal to, this is minus 25. Minus 25. So implies 4x square, so one side दियो minus 12x plus 34 is equal to 0. Plus 34 is equal to 0. So implies 2x square minus 6x plus 17 is equal to 0. Minus 2x square means dividing both sides by 2. So 2x square minus 6x plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay. So 2x square minus 6x plus 17 is equal to 0. Now dividing 2x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 72 by 2x square minus 6x plus 17. We get let's check करो 2x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 72 divided by 2x square minus 6x plus 17. तो here 2x cube, here 2x square, तो x is there. तो x, it is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 17x. तो minus plus minus is cancel. तो this is 8x square. This is 8x square. This is minus 24x plus 72. Next 8x square divided by 2x square. It is 4. So plus 4 here. This is 8x square minus 24x plus 68. तो minus plus minus ये cancel 7 to minus 68 means 4. Okay, therefore 2x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 72 is equal to, means dividend is equal to divisor means quotient plus into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. अच्छा is equal to x plus 4. This is 0 because 2x square minus 6x plus 17 is equal to 0. So put here 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore 2x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 72 is equal to 4 when x is equal to 3 minus 5i by 2. Okay. When x is equal to 3 minus 5i by 2. Okay. Next question number 2. Question number 2, given x is equal to 3 plus 2i. X is equal to 3 plus 2i. So implies same. X minus 3 is equal to 2i. So squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. We get x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2i square. So implies x square plus 9 minus 6x is equal to minus 4. So x square minus 6x plus 13 is equal to 0. Plus 13 is equal to 0. Now dividing x fourth minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 by x square minus 6x plus 13. Okay. So this is x fourth minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 divided by x square minus 6x plus 13. तो फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x here x फोर्थ को डिवाइड कर x स्क्वायर द्वारा. तो here x स्क्वायर इज देयर. तो x फोर्थ माइनस 6x क्यूब प्लस 13x स्क्वायर माइनस प्लस माइनस कैंसिल. तो दिस इज 2x क्यूब 4 minus 13x square 4 minus 13 means minus 9x square plus 8x plus 44. Again 2x cube divided by x square, it is plus 2x. So plus 2x, this is 2x cube. So this is minus 12x square minus 12x square minus plus 26x minus plus minus, ये cancel. So this is 3x square minus 9 plus 12 3x square 8x minus 16x minus 18x plus 44. Again 3x square divided by x square, it is 3. So this is 3x square minus 18x plus 39 minus plus minus cancel. So this is 5. Okay. So therefore dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So that implies x fourth minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 is equal to divisor. Divisor means x square minus 6x plus 13 into quotient x square plus 2x plus 3 plus remainder 5. This is 0 because x square minus 6x plus 13 is 0. 0 into x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 5. So answer is 5. Therefore the value of x fourth minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 8x plus 44 is equal to 5 when x is equal to 3 plus 2i. Next question, third one, homework for you. Third one is homework for you. Okay. Next question. Find the value of x and y if 1 plus I into x minus 2i divided by 3 plus I plus 2 minus 3i whole into y plus I divided by 3 minus I is equal to I. To find the value of x and y कहछि. So first simplify, then equating both sides we get two equation, then solving that two equation we get the value of x and y. Okay. So first simplify this solution. Given 1 plus I into x minus 2i divided by 3 plus I minus 2 minus 3i into y plus I divided by 3 minus I is equal to what? I. So implies this is x plus ix minus 2i whole into 3 minus I minus 2i minus 3iy plus I whole into 3 plus I whole divided by 3 plus I into 3 minus I is equal to what? I. Okay. So implies multiply with each other. So this is 3x plus 3ix minus 6i plus ix, sorry, this is minus ix, minus I into x, minus ix, this is minus I square x, minus plus 2i square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms. Okay. Minus again 2i into 3 6y minus 9iy plus 3i plus 2iy minus 3i square y plus I square whole divided by this is 3 square minus I square is equal to I. So implies this is 3ix minus ix 2ix minus 6i minus I square x, minus I square means minus 1, so this is plus x, 2i square means minus 2. Okay. Minus of 6y minus 9iy plus 2iy minus 7iy plus 3i. This is a 3i square, I square means minus, so minus means plus 3y I square means minus 1 is equal, divided by this is 3 square means 9, I square means minus 1, the plus 1 is equal to I. Okay. So implies 3x plus x what? 4x. 3x plus x 4x. Yes, minus 2. Here 2ix, so 2ix minus 6i, so plus 2ix minus 6i or okay ठीक अच्छी minus 6y plus 3y 9y, तो minus 9y था ब्रैकेट था minus 9y. Next minus plus 7iy minus 3i minus 9y plus 1 ये minus plus 7iy minus 3i is equal to 10i okay. So implies this is 4x minus 9y minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus I into 2x plus 7y minus 6i minus 3i minus 9i means minus 9 is equal to 0 plus 10i. तो equating both side, okay, equating both side, we get real part को real part नियो, imaginary part को imaginary part. 4x minus 9y minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus 7y minus 9 is equal to 10. Or this implies 4x minus 9y is equal to 1. This is 2x plus 7y is equal to 19. ये equation 1, ये equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2 वर्तमान solve करिबा. ओके तो ठीक अच्छी. तो इक्वेशन 2 into 2 minus equation 1. We get 4x cancel, 14y plus 9y 23y is equal to 38 minus 1 37. Okay, तो 23y is equal to 37. तो implies y is equal to 37 by 23. Y is equal to 37 by 23. Okay. Next x. From equation 1, 4x is equal to 1 plus 9y. So implies 4x is equal to 1 plus 9 into 37 by 23. Okay. Implies 4x is equal to 23 plus 9 7 is 63, 3 is 6, 27 plus 6 33, 27 plus 6 9 3 is 27 6 divided by 23. तो is equal to 653 by 23. तो implies x is equal to 4 cancel है जो 4 8 जा 32 in 3 36 4 9 जा 8 9 by 23. This is x. Therefore x comma y is equal to 8 9 by 23 comma 37 by 23. This is x and y. Okay, this is x and y. Okay, next question. Very important. If z1 comma z2 belongs to set of complex number c, then show that mod of 1 minus z1 z2 bar square minus mod of z1 minus z2 whole square is equal to 1 minus mod z1 square into 1 minus mod z2 square, and hence prove that mod of 1 minus z1 z2 bar divided by z1 minus z2 is less than 1 if mod z1 is less than 1 and mod z2 is less than 1. So first we prove the first part, then again we prove the second part. Okay, given condition, using given condition. So first LHS part. Proof given z1 comma z2 belongs to set of complex number c. So LHS part. What is LHS part? Mod of 1 minus z1 into z2 bar minus mod of z1 minus z2 whole square. Mod of 1 minus z1 into z2 bar whole square minus mod of z1 minus z2 whole square. We know that mod z square is equal to z into z conjugate. So here put here, this is suppose this is z. So z mod z square means z into z conjugate, that is 1 minus z1 into z2 bar into 1 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार होल बार Z इंटू Z कंजुगेट इज इक्वल मोड Z स्क्वायर माइनस ये भी सेम फॉर्मूला Z1 माइनस Z2 इंटू Z1 माइनस Z2 होल बार सिंस मोड Z स्क्वायर इज इक्वल Z इंटू Z बार ओके इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार नेक्स्ट Z1 माइनस Z2 होल बार इज इक्वल टू Z1 बार माइनस Z2 बार तो पुट हियर 1 बार माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार होल बार माइनस दिस इज Z1 माइनस Z2 पुट हियर इंडिविजुअल बार Z1 बार माइनस Z2 बार ओके अच्छा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार 1 बार मीन्स 1 बिकॉज 1 इज रियल नंबर तो रियल नंबर बार इज रियल नंबर बार मीन्स कंजुगेट तो सिंपली चेंज द साइन ऑफ इमेजिनरी पार्ट ओनली माइनस Z1 बार इंटू Z2 बार माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करो दिस इज Z1 इंटू Z1 बार माइनस Z2 इंटू Z1 बार माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार प्लस Z2 इंटू Z2 बार ओके तो इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार इंटू 1 दिस इज Z1 बार इंटू Z2 बिकॉज Z2 बार इज इक्वल टू Z2 itself माइनस दिस इज मोड Z1 स्क्वायर माइनस Z1 बार इंटू Z2 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार प्लस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर ओके तो ये मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 1 1 माइनस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार माइनस Z1 बार इंटू Z2 प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार Z1 इंटू Z2 बार इंटू Z2 इंटू Z1 बार ओके माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर माइनस प्लस Z1 बार इंटू Z2 प्लस Z1 इंटू Z2 बार माइनस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर ओके तो इज इक्वल टू 1 दिस देखो Z1 इंटू Z2 बार कैंसिल Z1 इंटू Z2 बार Z1 इंटू Z2 बार प्लस माइनस कैंसिल ये भी माइनस प्लस कैंसिल तो दिस इज माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर दिस इज माइनस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज Z1 इंटू Z1 बार प्लस इंटू Z2 इंटू Z2 बार तो इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर माइनस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज मोड Z1 स्क्वायर इंटू मोड Z2 स्क्वायर बिकॉज Z1 इंटू Z1 बार इज इक्वल टू मोड Z1 स्क्वायर Z2 इंटू Z2 बार इज इक्वल टू मोड Z2 स्क्वायर ओके तो इज इक्वल टू here 1 इंटू 1 माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर माइनस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर कॉमन बाहर कर दियो इट बिकम्स 1 माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर तो इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस मोड Z1 स्क्वायर इंटू कॉमन बाहर करागला 1 माइनस मोड Z2 स्क्वायर तो इज इक्वल टू RHS तो फास्ट पार्ट इज प्रूव्ड ओके बर्तमान कहाँ आम सेकेंड पार्ट बर्तमान प्रूव करिए ओके देख बर्तमान कहाँ सेकेंड पार्टा प्रूव करिए सेकेंड पार्ट टू प्रूव सेकेंड पार्ट गिवन मोड ऑफ Z1 इज लेस देन 1 तो implies मोड ऑफ Z1 स्क्वायर also लेस देन 1 तो implies 1 is greater than mod z1 square. Implies 1 minus mod z1 square greater than 0. Greater than 0. Also mod of z2 less than 1. तो implies mod z2 square less than 1. Implies 1 is greater than mod z2 square. तो implies 1 minus mod z2 square. 1 minus mod z2 square is greater than 0. Hence 1 minus mod z1 square into 1 minus mod z2 square greater than 0, because both are positive. तो positive into positive, positive. Okay. We have from first part we have mod of 1 minus z1 z2 bar the square minus mod of z1 minus z2 square is equal to 1 minus mod z1 square into 1 minus mod z2 square. Okay. So therefore 1 minus z1 into z2 bar mod square minus mod of z1 minus z2 square is greater than 0, because this is positive from 1. Okay. So implies 1 minus z1 into z2 bar mod square is greater than mod of z1 minus z2 square. Okay. तो implies तो 1 minus this is mod of z2 is not less than 1, this is greater than 1 given. This is greater than 1 given. Mod of z2 is greater than 1. Okay. So here also mod of z2 is greater than 1. So mod of z2 square greater than 1. So this is 1 is less than mod z2 square, and this is less than 0. This is less than 0. Less than 0. Okay. So here this is negative. Kaiki positive into negative. Positive into negative is negative. So this is also negative. This is also negative. Negative. Put a negative sign. Okay. Because mod of z2 is greater than 1 given. Okay. So implies 1 minus z1 z2 bar mod is less than, taking positive square root, mod of z1 minus z2, taking positive sign, taking positive square root. Okay. Taking positive square root. So implies 1 minus z1 z2 bar so implies taking positive square root. Taking positive square root. Okay. So implies this is 1 minus z1 z2 bar divided by z1 z2 bar whole mod is less than 1. Okay. When mod of z1 is less than 1 and mod of z2 is greater than 1. Hence proved. Okay.